Little, why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side.
Look at him! Go.
No, try.
Yeah, it's too bad the stuff, all these, and nobody will eat them. He looks for the eggs.
That's weird. He only eats the eggs, man. That's cool. He looks for them.
And I have a visitor. He's not getting off my car. Bird. Bird, go away. I'm gonna drive away.
Charlie, hey Charlie, you love a tuxedo.
It's like he thinks he's a herding dog.
Look at this guy shooting at me, sissy.
You ever had turkeys chase you? They're chasing my truck right now. Never seen anything like it.
Alright, dude. Just calm down. Oh God. Really? The whole burger?
I must ask you a question.
Take a selfie with it, honey. Uh-oh. Oh, Liv, you were watching. Look at, you know, uh-oh, it's smack.
What's the turkey say?
Terry, come on.
No, sit there.
Up here. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go.
Fast, go fast.
Here we go. Here we go. You're fast. You can do it. That's 10 miles per hour.
There he goes. Whoa. He's still coming faster.
What are you doing? Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Yes. Oh, yeah.
Dance.
Dance. Dance.
Come on, little buddy. Here he comes. He is like, this bird is following us. Come on, guy. Come on. And here he comes. Here he comes.
If you're happy, you have chop, and you know it. If you're happy, you have chop, and you know it. If you're happy, you have chop, then you gotta whistle a tune. If you're happy, you have chop, and you know it.
Touch and kiss him.
I don't know what they're doing, but it looks like fun.
I don't know. My goodness.
I want it.
Oh, no. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. He got you good. Ooh.
Turkey's on the house. Oh, oh. Here they come.
Okay, this is what I have to deal with. He's sneaking in under my door.
Steve laughed at me at work. It's almost Thanksgiving. Hi, Lemon. Don't attack me. Hi. Woo! Oh, okay, be nice. Be nice. It's okay.
What? No! Stop it.
You do realize that's for the birds and not for you. You do realize that, don't you?
Hey, you guys want to buy a pair of these bird glasses? Pretty cool, huh?
Because I can't drive anywhere, and I got another one coming up.
I need to get to the office to pick up some things, but I don't know that I'm ever gonna get there.
You can do that? Yeah. All you want. Go ahead. Thank you.